I am a child by Walid El-Taki. I am a child playing, getting in trouble. I am a child living in my own bubble, dreaming of a juicy meal, a pubble. Then reality hits me. I am a garson playing in the rubble. My playground is made of blood and dust. Missiles, craters burrow the earth's crust. They fall from the sky and houses combust, made and delivered by those in God they trust. Drones above us murmur and hum. My tomorrow not promised may never come. The sound of my dying mum still in my ears like a drum. I am the victim of a genocidal war. I am a victim of the jet's roar. At 6 years old already my life had whore. Anti-Semitic if you oppose or deplore.